Hey guys, Sean here. Nina, Aaron, they're here for the Stacker Challenge. If you're strapped for time and need a quick home workout, 15 minutes, it's gonna gas ya. Here it is. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Yes,
ready?
yes,
All
I'm
right.
ready.
First round, push-up plank, 10 reps of row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, have a little breather, just 30 seconds, that's it.
So now we do 10 that and 10 shoulder taps.
Yep. And then we just keep climbing.
It's like a pyramid.
A pyramid, yeah, exactly. So you should feel pretty good right now, but you will
too
not
bad.
later.
Is it pretty brutal? Like, do you
Yeah,
get pretty...
towards the end you're stuffed, absolutely stuffed. All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay, so row, row, shoulder tap, shoulder tap, row, row, shoulder tap, shoulder tap, row, row, shoulder tap, shoulder tap, row, 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 shoulder tap, shoulder tap, row, row, shoulder tap, shoulder tap. Keep the hips straight as well. Good, lock in that core. 9, last one. All right, 30 seconds rest. Feel that grass.
Bit of burn in that. What's the next one?
So the next one is a push-up. All right.
It's
So-
brutal. We're gonna go all the way to 10.
Row, row, shoulder tap, shoulder tap.
How good's the
push-up.
geisha over here? Just like these,
Yeah.
the Zen master. Get a push with that.
Looks like he's
Having my stone breaking tea.
It's urine therapy he's actually having there.
All right, round 3. Here we go.
Push up, is it?
Yeah, so row, row, shoulder tap, push up. Good. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up.
Good.
Row, row, shoulder tap,
so
push up. Row,
Go.
row, shoulder tap, push up. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up. That's 5.
Come on,
Row,
champ.
row, shoulder tap, push up.
Keep it, keep it.
You got this.
Keep grinding.
3 to go. Keep grinding away. 2 to go. Good 9s. Last one. Squeeze that core. Rest.
Push.
This is ridiculous.
Good.
I'm worried.
Good.
That's our third one.
Third one.
So you have 7 more to go.
4 more rounds to go. There's 7 exercises,
But we've got...
but
I
each
thought-
round gets
Yeah.
longer and longer.
So there's 7 times to go though.
Yes.
4 more exercises.
Yeah. So the next one here is push up into burpee. Okay.
That's awesome.
And anyone at home, if you get tired, like if you notice your hips swinging, try and squeeze your core as much as possible. But if you're swinging those hips, go down to your knees. Just takes pressure off the lower back.
Cool.
All right, here we go. So slow, row, row, shoulder tap, push up, burpee, squeeze glutes to the top, back down. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up, burpee, squeeze glutes. Shoulder tap, push up, burpee, squeeze glutes. Row,
Row,
row, shoulder tap, push up, burpee. Good. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up.
Oh.
That's 5. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up. 6. We got this, come on! Everyone's a bit quiet. Oh.
Just enduring, bro.
Cardio.
Shoulder tap, push up.
Go. Run. Come on, bros.
What's that?
2 more to go. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up. One more.
Come on, one more.
All right. We're getting there. We're getting there slowly.
It's good.
Suck it in.
I actually enjoyed the little bit of a break you get from your arms when you stand up.
Yeah.
It's not just on your hands the whole time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's brutal on the upper body.
Sorry, up.
The next half, now it's more brutal on the legs.
So what have we got now?
So now, coming up from the burpee, and it's a squat, jump, and then back down.
Okay.
So, should I go on my knees because
Yep.
my hips are doing
Definitely.
that?
Yep. 100%. Yeah, if you're tired, go on your knees. Because the hips, you're losing that core balance, and you want to keep this stable. It's
Oh,
half
so there's 7 exercises total.
Yes.
Oh, so we've only got 3 more to go.
3 more rounds, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
10.
So I'll,
We're all
I was,
good
think,
now.
I was thinking there was 10
I'll take one
rounds.
for the team and
10
show the
of 10.
alternative.
No,
Yeah.
So we were getting to 10 reps of 10 exercises.
no.
7.
That's the bonus level.
I've always been a quiet exerciser. Like he's like
Yeah.
like a
Loud one.
fucking the big dog like can scream during exercise, but I've always like just
You lock in.
yeah. So it's like I'm not really contributing to the to the
Yeah,
motivation.
yeah. All right.
Come on,
Come on.
come
Be on
on.
my knees for the whole time then.
Yeah. Go for it. And
So
then when
like
you go
this.
for your burpee, obviously, sorry, with your push up, maybe you can go down into burpee.
Mm. So do
So
you push
do a
up on your
push-up
knees
on-
and then just go
Yeah.
like,
So,
Yep.
and then up onto your feet.
Yeah.
There you go.
Perfect.
okay.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right.
We got
let's
this.
Go. Row.
Row.
Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Oh.
Burpee. Squat jump. Good. Round 1. Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up. Up. Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so uncoordinated.
You got this thing. Good. Row. Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Oh, I
Squat
did it on
jump.
my feet. Why did I do that?
Row.
Row,
Row.
row,
Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Up.
Squat jump.
Douche.
Good. Row.
Row.
Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up. Burpee. Squat jump. Woo!
Nice.
What's this, 6?
Yep. Row. Row.
Okay.
Good. 3 more to go. Row. Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Oh,
2 more. Row. Row. Shoulder tap. Shoulder tap. Push up.
oh, fuck.
1 more.
One more.
Come on. Last one.
Come on. Home stretch.
That's good.
2 to go, eh?
2 to go. So next one.
Lunge.
Yep. Split lunge at the end. And that's the second last round.
So, that one.
Yep. Yep. And knee to the ground
Full range.
on both
So-
sides.
Like that.
Yep. Perfect.
Flow it together. Yeah.
All right, dig deep. Let's go. Ready? Go for it. Row, row. Shoulder tap, push up, burpee. Nice. 1. Good. 2. Good, Leo. Joining in on camera. All right, that's 4.
Yeah.
Oh,
Halfway. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up.
You got it, bro.
That's 6. Good. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up.
Nice.
3 to go. Second last round, 3 to go.
Keep grinding.
We're chipping away.
last one.
Yep. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up.
One more, right?
One more round.
Uno más, por favor.
Good. That means you're using them, using the glutes. Use your glutes, engage your core.
Okay.
All right. Last round.
Stay strong, stay strong.
Strong. So this one's the kick through at the end.
Can you show us that?
Yeah.
Bam. Bam.
And then you're back into it. All right.
Let's go.
Last one. Make it the best one. And then we're done. 3, 2, 1. Lock in. Row, row, shoulder tap, push up, burpee, squat jump, lunge, back down, kick to the right, kick to the left.
Go.
Oh,
Shoulder tap, shoulder tap.
Push up.
Yes.
Here we go. To the right first. Good. Good.
You got this.
Get one day.
Row, row. On the ground, to the right. Good. To the left. Row, row. Shoulder tap. One hand off.
Oh, what?
Yeah, one hand off. Like
Oh, that makes it easier.
that. Row, row. Shoulder tap. Push up. Squat jump. All right.
Smash it.
Kick through. Right. Kick through. Left.
Just 5 now.
Yeah. Row. Shoulder tap. Push up. Squat jump. Split lunge. On the ground. To the right. To the left.
Nailed it.
Nice. Stay
Yes.
there. Row. Row.
Oh,
Shoulder
Come on,
tap.
bruv.
Push up. Squat jump. Split lunge.
This
On
one
the ground.
counts. Come on.
To the right. Good. To the left.
Make
Lovely.
It count, make it count.
All right. Row. Row. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Baby.
On the ground. To the right. To the left.
3 more.
3 more. Row. Row. Shoulder tap. Push up.
Oh,
Come on. Right.
Wait.
Left. Row. Row.
Row.
Shoulder tap. Push up. Burpee. Top squat. Split lunge. To the left. Right. To the left.
Come on.
Last one. Row. Row.
Row.
Shoulder tap. Push up. Burpee. Split lunge. To the left.
Synchronize.
To the right. To the left. And we're done.
Yes.
Yes.
40 and a half minutes.
Got it done. How long?
Under 15, 40 and a half.
40 and a half. There you go. Try that at home. Have a partner. Bring some friends along. Have some water. Have lots of water. And eat some good food afterwards. But there's the Stacker Challenge. See you soon.
thanks, Jordy.